Here's another EDC tool. It's like a little multi-tool for cameras. It's quite unique. So first of all, you have a little screwdriver, pry bar. There's a locking mechanism button. That's cool. Then you press it and take it out. You just pull it in, press it, and push it back in. You see, it won't go in unless you press this button and lock it in. Okay, what is this? Wow, that makes it so much easier to take these little screwdrivers out. I love it. So there's different Allen wrenches. Nice. And look at that. All you have to do is pull on this lever and it will take out looks like another screwdriver and a couple more Allen wrenches. That is cool. Definitely love this mechanism, whatever it makes it so easy to push the screwdriver out. Boom. And this thing right here, like a pry bar. That is cool. Very unique everyday carry multi-tool. It has right here hanging part. You can hang it probably onto your camera, backpack, whatever. Got right here new, very unique flashlight. Let's see what's about. So first of all, very sleek and cool design. Turn it on, you have a little lantern. Press and hold and it will adjust the power of the light. Then you rotate the whole thing, you have a flashlight, a lantern, and this kind of lantern. Beautiful, is not painful for your eye. So this is probably one of the most unique things I've ever seen. So you kinda, where do you set it up? Boom, set it up this way, and you have a hanging hook right here, and you have a little lamp. That's hilarious, isn't it? So in a sense, it's just a little reflector, so pushes all the light down. Also, they have a different flashlight over here. I kind of like this one a little bit better. It comes with one of these cups. I wish it was more of a silicone cups. Definitely very sleek flashlight. Nice and bright. So adjustable. You see how it gets darker. Press and hold and makes it brighter. And whenever you plug this in, this will become a lantern. This way or this way. Gator saw 1. So another folding saw over here. Let's see how this one does. I think, did I say folding saw? I think this is more. Did I say folding saw? I think this is more take apart saw. So you got right here a saw, and I do like it that there is a guard. Whenever you'll be cutting the wood, you won't hurt your hand. How does this comes off? Take apart. Okay. Nothing to apart so far. This comes out and this comes out. Wow. As you can see, it's not just wood cutting. It's multi-purpose cutting right here. It could be hunting, I guess. Stick one over here. Then put parts in here. And the blades in here. Okay, that's a cool design. For hunting and stuff, that'd be nice. Clip it onto your belt. There's a Velcro option as well. Okay, pretty awesome. Okay, we just gotta start it real quick. That's very powerful. Let's bite into it too good. Definitely wouldn't chop anything bigger than this. I do like silky folding saws a lot better, but for hunting reasons it could be very useful. Got right here 14 inches jumbo safety light stick or glow stick, whatever. Dream Glow, that's a brand right here. Look how big that is. It's incredible. Not just the length, look at that thickness. That's insane. Wow. So you know what, let's go in the dark and crack it, see how bright that is. Okay, let's crack this glow stick. Wow, look how fast it gets really bright. And let's see how bright it is in a complete darkness. Look at that. With that light, you can almost work on a plumbing. I mean, it's better than nothing. So for camping, it definitely would be a really nice light inside of the tent. It looks like a night light. It will not wake you up because it's this light green camera obviously overexposing. It doesn't look so harsh when you look at it in real life. But yeah, that's beautiful. There's a pile of tools need to be organized, but look how much it's illuminates. We can see pretty much every single tool. And even if it turn on all the lights, look at it. It's so bright. It glows in a bright room pretty good. You can see it well. Got here new camping utensils. A fork, a bottle opener, a spoon, a little bit flat, but I guess we can still eat soup with it. So press this and it will pull out a little plastic knife over here, serrated and regular. So enough to cut maybe chicken and eat it. That's pretty unique. There's a burn for it.